There's no shortage of delicious, innovative food here in Spokane, and here at Root, they're getting even more creative. Their plant-based menu inspires healthy, vegan-friendly options that will satisfy just about anyone.
It's really interesting how they marry all these different flavors together.
We've definitely seen people who are very confused by the fact that it was vegan because they didn't fully believe it.
I've never had anything like it. I love it.
I'm not even the one to eat anything like that, but I'm in love.
It was important to us to create a space that felt comfortable and welcoming to all walks of life, but also was interesting and fun and different.
Co-owner and chef Josh Lorenzen designed Root to be a place for everyone to enjoy, no matter what kind of diet they follow.
When we decided to make a plant-based restaurant, we knew that there would be a lot of people that were kind of apprehensive about vegan or a lack of meat or a lack of cheese or these things. So we wanted to make stuff that was at home for other people and felt comfortable.
It's really calm and relaxing.
It's very hip looking. From the minute I walked in, I loved the place.
People have received it really well, of all types, all different walks and diets. And it's not really a vegan thing, it's just another fun restaurant.